everyone, welcome back. I'm Dave Tinker, a Senior Success Strategist here at DigitalChalk. And today we're going to continue our Launch Blueprint video series. But before we go any further, I want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on all the great content that we're preparing for you. Now today we're going to start with the very first step in the launch method, which begins with the letter L, and that stands for lay it out. Again, this is the very first thing, the things that you need to do as you're starting your business, as you're getting ready to go. We've prepared this system for you such that you can follow along and go step by step through the process that's going to help ensure your success in the long run. Now, one of the very first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to check with your state or regulatory bodies that control continuing education in the space that you serve. Now, perhaps you're in the medical industry, or maybe you serve real estate, or maybe the insurance industry. There's thousands of different industries out there that need or have requirements for continuing education credits. And there's millions of students in those verticals as well. So the first thing you'll need to do is meet with your state or regulatory bodies in the vertical that you're serving so that you understand their specific requirements. That's going to help you in the long run as you're preparing your material and you're preparing the tools that you need in order to ensure that you can check all the boxes for the regulatory bodies. The next thing you'll need to do is to identify your ideal customer. Who is it that you're serving? The more time that you invest in understanding who your ideal customer is, the better you'll be in the long run. It's going to help you as you begin preparing your content, and it's going to help you to think like your customer. As you're preparing your materials, one of the things we'll talk about later on is that you need to think like your student as you're preparing your courses so that your students have the absolute best experience possible as they're going through your courses. Next, you'll need to identify what kind of technology it is that you're going to need as you're building your courses and reporting back to the state or the regulatory bodies. You'll find that as you meet with those regulatory bodies that they're going to have specific requirements specific to maybe reporting requirements or perhaps even security requirements or timing. And DigitalChalk is perfectly poised with a suite of tools that we've created that expertly serve the continuing education space. We've built this platform with you in mind. So everything that the state's going to require, even if you don't exactly know how to achieve that in DigitalChalk, as you're coming on board and you're meeting with your customer advocate or our support team or even your sales agent can talk you through the different options that are available to you to ensure that DigitalChalk can do exactly what it is that your governing bodies require. Finally, the last step of this first stop of our launch system is for you to write a business plan. Now, as much as you might want to avoid it, I'm going to encourage you, don't skip this step. A business plan is foundational for your business. It ensures that you've answered all the right questions, that you know exactly what it is that you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Additionally, it's something that you'll use over the lifetime of your business. You can refer back to your business plan to ensure that you're achieving your goals is something that you can measure yourself against. Now, down below, I've provided a link from the Small Business Development Council that'll show you exactly how to write a business plan. They even give you examples that you can follow. Yes, it is a lot of work, but please don't skip this step because it's going to help to ensure your long-term success. As we wrap up this video, I want to encourage you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.